Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today I got a couple of springtime, summertime watch faces for you all to download that's free for the taking. And this one gets my stamp of approval. Now, SamsWatch gets down on watch faces, period. He does an awesome job at bringing new flavor, fresh flavor to the table. Now, the name of this watch face is called SamsWatch Basic 2, 2019 version of this analog traditional watch face. And it looks like a Timex timepiece, right? It looks really nice, has a sports look to it, but more so of a traditional look. In the AOD mode, you are gonna get a nice analog look out of this watch face, dimmed down. Now, let's take a look at the watch face when it's on. I love the look of this basic, clean, analog watch face. Now, remember, this one is free for the taking. You gotta have this one in your lineup. Now, I like the hands, right? The analog hands, they look nice. They're blue, but they look premium. So does that smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. As I always say, it screams premium all day long. So the developer has his initials up at the top, not too big, not too small. Over here is going to be your battery percentage. To the right is going to be your step info. And down at the bottom, you are going to get the day of the week and your date, traditional look for a timepiece like this. I'm loving this one, you all. Now, I got to tell you, you got to have a white watch face in your lineup. Why? When the sun is at its highest and it's shining bright, it is not going to distort your view from looking at this timepiece. I'm telling you, you need this one. But you can customize it to a couple other colors. Double tap, and you can't see it for what it is. It's a tannish color blend with a little white, like a swirl color almost. You got to see this one in person. It does look nice, and we're going to double tap again. So you don't have to wait until it's in the AOD mode to get this look. You can tap it will. So if it's nighttime, you can dim this down in the black and white theme, and you're on like popcorn. All right, you all, don't go nowhere. We got one more watch face for you all to check out. Watch face number 2 is called SamsWatch Basic 2019. This one is another nice one that I like, that I think you should go ahead and download and put this in your lineup. I like the font on this one, very different, but yet it still displays a nice analog timepiece. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get this in a black and white theme. It's going to pretty much look like what you're seeing now, which isn't bad at all, but you can flex the colors on this one too. Now, what you're going to get is a traditional look. I like it. I like the way the hands lights up in this mode. Not bad at all. Now, if you look to the right, traditionally where your dates used to be on a nice Timex is right there. You get the day of the week, you get your date. Now, over to your left, you're going to get info, of course, on your step status info and also your heart rate. So I'm loving this look. I do love the design of this one for 2019. This is not a bad look by SamsWatch. And again, it gets my stamp of approval. So if you want to change it, just double tap. And you can change it to the different colors. The video isn't going to do it justice. I mean, you got several different summertime, springtime watch face themes to customize this to, and they all look nice. Again, you got to see this one in person. You got to have one of these in your lineup. Do not miss out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on the way out, and people, enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.